is House Paint and GAC 800. This is Primary Elements Over the Moon. I think I'm going to use this one, which I don't know what it is. It's been a week, guys. Or it's been a year. That's not Primary Elements. That's a 2 blue. This is Deco Art Extreme Sheen Gold. This one. I've got this Iridescent Blue Green by Pebeo. And I've got, this is, of course, Ultramarine. Oh, am I even on camera? Ultramarine by Grumbacher. So, let's lay out our colors, shall we? I think I want that one close to the top. We'll start with the Grumbacher. Go on to the regular tube paint of this color. Ow. Got bubbles because I just stirred all this up. Because even if it's pre-made, it's still got to be stirred up after it sits. Let's do this Over the Moon. That's a pretty cool color. Just a little bit of gold. Try to be sparingly with it. It's very pretty, but it can take over. Well, quit now. It's the great thing about a swipe. I'm debating on a pink or not. No, I don't think I will. And I think I'm going to use white cell activator. Just because I can. Big one, little one. Guess I'll use the little one. Alright. I don't know, maybe I should add a little black. What's worse that can happen? Me scraping it? That's the worst. Alright, here we go. Well, you see the black more than you do the white, but it's different. Definitely different. What do I want to change? I didn't end up with very many gold cells, which surprises me. Well, I do have quite a few in there. Oh, don't do it. Let's give it a little flow extender. Get rid of this. I don't like them two spots there. Should probably be finger painting like everybody says to do. That's better. Alright. Debating now on whether just to... Oh, well, how did that happen? Just to spin or add some more swipe colors. Oh, that blue is everywhere. What the heck? I say more color. Maybe in a different order. And if I keep doing this with my finger, we'll just keep swooping blue through there. Okay, that ties that in a little. Don't like that. Let's see. Let's do... I think I want it over here. Ooh, almost went a little quick with that one. Turn it around. I have some like ghost lacing. It's kind of cool. Right in here where the white has lacing. I think I'm going to go with the black. Well, clean your spatula off first, Kristi. Alright, here we go again. Look at the cells on this. That's awesome. Oh, I did just kind of lay him down there. That was cool. Alright. Time to take it over the spinner. See if I'm going to keep it or get rid of it. Maybe I should wreck it a little. Who doesn't love some good wrecking? Alright. Need a stick. Oh, I like that. What the heck happened there? I don't want to really do curly cues. I kind of want to wreck this so it doesn't look so harsh of a line. Pull this blue down. It'll probably all come off in the spinner. Hold on and I'll see you at the spinner. Alright guys, we're at the spinner. Let's see what she does. Kinda hope. I need to spread this way. I'm just gonna lose that whole little swipe at the bottom. Alright. Do a white one first, see what it's doing. Oh, that is so pretty. And the gold lacing in here is beautiful. Oh, my husband claims I'm in the way of the camera. There. I definitely don't want that side. Put this side off a little more so it'll pull this way. And it did. Pulled it right that way. Alright. I don't want to lose any more of that, but I don't want to lose any more of that either. Alright guys, let me bring it down for a close-up if I wasn't in the way of all of that. That pretty. Alright, hold on. Made lacing. It made lacing up here too. But look at these ghost-like webbing cells or whatever they are. They're very cool. It shines. It shines, it shines. And look at them multicolored cells. So pretty. I love swipes. Alright guys. There she is. As always, like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one.